Hi everyone, it's Brad. Today we're going to take a look at the side panel in Google Chrome, which is to the right of your extensions. If you select it, what you're going to notice right away, you're going to see a reading list. So these are things that I've worked on before. If you want to add one, you just add this current tab, you put it right in there. If you have read it, you can just select it right there and it shows you that the pages you've read. If you want to remove one, you could simply remove one as well. So that's your reading list. Underneath, bookmarks, which of course you can go ahead and sort through and find. You can even just type in, search right in there and it'll find it. There's also history, which is going to take you through your history. You could even search right in here for your history as well. Now, reading mode. Reading mode's a nice one. As you can see, it's removing any kind of distractions. And you can go ahead and obviously you can change the text, the size. You could even go ahead in and change it in here if you like it better, or your students do. And you could even go ahead and change how wide the text is. Now, the last one that I want to show you is the one that I tend to use the most and I've found really helpful. It's the search. And what you can do as well is you can pin this. So that's helpful because let's just say we want to do a quick search. Pretend it's another image other than George Washington. Let's go ahead and select this here. If you just take this, drag this over, and it's going to search with Google Lens and lets you know right away, here it is, gives you your information that you can go ahead and find those results. If there's text, you can go ahead in and search for the text. And then if there is text on there, you could even have it. You could copy the text. Now, there isn't any text on here. You could even translate it. So that is really helpful as well. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.